One of the more interesting theories is that yawning helps cool down the brain. Our brains work best at a certain temperature, and when they get too warm, they don't function as well. Think about how you feel sluggish on a hot day. Maybe yawning is like a built-in air conditioner. When you yawn, you suck in a big gulp of cool air, which might help lower the temperature of the blood flowing to your brain. Some experiments have backed this up. People yawn more in warm weather, and if you press something cold to your forehead, you yawn less. But even this doesn't explain everything, like why we yawn when we're nervous or why it's so contagious.